Here are 10 benefits of turmeric for joint pain and arthritis. It may reduce inflammation and pain in the joints by inhibiting the production of inflammatory molecules. It may improve blood flow and oxygen delivery to the joints, which can enhance their function and reduce stiffness. It may protect the cartilage and bone from damage caused by osteoarthritis by stimulating the growth of new cells. It may modulate the immune system and prevent it from attacking the joints, which can cause rheumatoid arthritis. It may lower the risk of developing or worsening rheumatoid arthritis by reducing oxidative stress. It may protect the brain from cognitive decline and dementia by enhancing memory, learning, and neurogenesis, brain cell creation. It may support weight loss by suppressing appetite, increasing metabolism, and reducing fat accumulation around the joints.